Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, good evening. Wow,
Hello,
it's you again. Wow. Hello, good evening.
hello.
Wow, it's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm good.
That's good to know. And may I know what is your name again? Because I forgot names. Really, really forgot names. Is it Pong An? Is that correct? Is my pronunciation
Um,
correct?
Tin.
Oh, T Tin?
D
D
D
D D
I I
I A
N.
N. Then is this is your name? Is that correct?
Yes,
It's pronounced as Dan.
yes,
Okay, thank you so much, Dan. It's nice to see you again, and it's nice to meet you. Wow. Okay, so last time, so our Zoom meeting has cut off because the timer in Zoom meeting is or has ended. That is why I am not able to say goodbye to you properly last time. And I am glad that I saw you again right now because I saw you earlier with your brother. Is that your little brother?
yes.
Yes. Oh,
Uh,
wow.
name my young brother
Yeah.
names Huỳnh Đông.
Hundang. Oh, that is how you pronounce Hundang.
Huỳnh Đông.
Hundang.
Yes,
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for correcting me. So I will take note of that. Okay, so now, are you ready for our lesson today?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so now, can you read what will be our lesson for today?
You need to everyday activities.
Very good. So do you have any idea what everyday activities is?
Um,
When we say everyday activities, what is it? Do you have any
um,
when you brush your teeth, is it an everyday activity? Brushing teeth? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes. How about sleeping? Sleeping. Is that an everyday activity?
yes,
Yes. How about eating?
yes.
Yes,
Mm,
very good. So so when we say everyday activities, so these are the things that we do every day, like sleeping, eating, brushing our teeth, like those, or studying. So that is everyday activity. So now, let's learn more about those things that we do every day. So let's go to first our lesson objectives. So can you read our lesson objectives?
vocabulary phrases, reading and discussions.
Very good. So that is our lesson objective. So the audio had turned off. Can you hear teacher?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So this is our lesson objective. So when we say vocabulary, so these are the new words that we will learn today. So the phrases, so these are the phrases that we can use to make a sentence. And reading and discussion, so here we will learn about a story, about everyday activities, and we will discuss and answer some questions. Okay, so let's proceed with our first lesson objective, which is what is our first lesson objective? It's
vocabulary.
very good. It's vocabulary. So we will learn some new words today. So let's take a look with our first one. So this first word is
Get up.
get up. Very good. And for this one, seeing the picture, can you describe what is the girl doing in the picture?
Um,
The girl
um,
is, what is she doing? After sleeping, in the morning,
we
starts with letter W. We wake
we wake
up.
up. We
Yeah,
wake up.
very good. So wake up. So like this girl in the picture. So she woke up from her sleep. So when we say get up, so this is another word or another word for wake up. So for this one, so teacher has a question for you. So what time do you usually get up or wake up?
Um,
Yeah.
wake up.
I wake up at what time?
Uh,
Is it seven
I
o'clock?
wake up at 8:30.
8:30. Wow, I wake up. So we will use the word here. I
Get
get
up.
at 8:30. So
8:30.
very good. So that is our word. So get up is the same as wake up. So next, let's go with our next pictures. So do you know what are the people doing in the picture?
Do gymnastics.
Yes, very good. They are doing a gymnastic. How about how about in general? What are they doing? They are um when you want to be fit or like when you want to be slim, what do people do to get slim? They
Mm,
they what? They
um, they exercise.
very good. Good job. So they exercise. So for this one, our word is, can you read what is our word?
Do do exercise. Take exercise.
Very good. So we use this word so when we want to move our body, like doing exercise, like this in the picture. Most of the people here are exercising. So most of the people do exercise because they want to be healthy, they want to be slim, they want to be fit. Okay. So for example,
From
y- yes.
strong and slim.
Very good, strong and slim. So people want to be strong and they want to be slim. So for example, this sentence, can you read this sentence?
I do exercise in the morning.
Very good. I do exercise in the morning. So teacher has a question for this word. So do you exercise?
Yes.
Yes. What exercise do you like to do?
Mm. Oh,
Do you like to
I
run?
do. I like to um,
Do you run? Do you jump?
run, run.
Oh, I like to run. Wow, very good. So, when do you usually exercise? Do you do it in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the
In
evening?
the evening.
Oh, in the evening. Wow, that's very good because exercising, so it helps our body to be healthy and fit. Okay, good job. So next, let's go. Don't you have any question with these two words before we proceed to our next slide? Y-
Yes.
You don't have any question?
No.
Okay, so let's proceed with our next slide. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. So, as this word, can you read this word in the picture?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Very good. And do you know what is this? What do you call
Uh,
this person?
uh, sh-
Yes,
cooking.
cook or
Cook.
we call the
Chief
chef. Very good. One more time. Let's say chef.
chef.
Very good. So for this word, so we will talk all about what is our word.
Cook breakfast.
Very good. Cook breakfast. So when we say cook breakfast, oh, it is making food. We make food in the morning. So for this one, for example, can you read this sentence?
Make food in the morning.
Yes. And can you read this sentence?
My mom cooks breakfast every day.
Very good. So now, teacher has a question. So who cooks breakfast at your home?
My mom cook breakfast at my home at home.
Oh, my mom cooks breakfast at home. Very good. Have you tried cooking your breakfast before?
Mm,
Have you tried cooking? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. What do you cook in breakfast? Do
Um,
you?
I cook meat.
Oh, I cook
Uh, meat. Eat egg.
egg. Egg, is that correct? Egg,
Uh, vegetable.
vegetable for
Um,
breakfast.
yes.
Okay. How about have you tried pancake? This one, pancake? Have you tried this one?
Um,
No?
yes.
Oh, yes. Because this is like the common breakfast that most people eat at breakfast. And especially the egg. So egg is the most common breakfast food that most people eat. So very good for this one. So next, let's have our next word. So let's take a look. So what is our next word?
Cook dinner.
Very good. Do you know what is the meaning of dinner?
Yes.
Yes. What is dinner? When we say dinner, so it is
Um, chicken and soup.
chicken and soup. Wow, you eat chicken and soup for dinner. So let's say I eat chicken and
I,
soup.
I eat chicken and soup for dinner.
Very good. Okay, so when we say dinner, so it is food in the evening.
Evening.
Yes, evening means night or like this, like at this time. So we can eat our dinner because it is already evening. So it is 7 o'clock or 7:58 in the evening. So it is time for dinner. So now, for this one, who cooks dinner at your home?
My mom. My mom cooks dinner at home. At our home.
Wow, your mom always cooks dinner?
Yes.
Yes. How about your dad? Does he also cooks sometimes?
Um. Always.
Always?
Yes.
Oh, your dad also cooks at your house?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good that your mom and dad are helping each other. So very good. So very good for making this sentence. So I eat chicken and soup for dinner. Now, do you have any questions with these words? Do you have any questions with
Uh,
these words? No?
no, no.
Okay, let's go with our next set of words. So let's take a look with this one.
Have breakfast.
Very good. Have breakfast. So we usually use this word so when we are eating food in the morning. So it is different with cook because cook breakfast, we are the one who are cooking. But for this one, have breakfast, we are the one who is eating. So the word earlier, so it is cooking. Now this is eating. So eating breakfast or eating food in the morning. So now, what do you eat or what are the food that you eat for breakfast aside from the food that
Uh,
you told earlier? Aside from
I,
egg, vegetables?
I have breakfast. Uh, um, break for bread.
What is that?
Uh, I have break for breakfast.
Bread. Is that bread?
Yes.
Oh, bread. Do you partner bread with peanut butter or any jam?
Mm, butter. I partner bread with um peanut butter.
Oh, peanut butter. Wow. How about egg? Do you partner egg with bread in the morning?
Mm,
Do you eat bread with egg sometimes?
yes.
Yes. Wow, that's delicious for breakfast. Egg and bread. Okay, so next, let's have here our next word.
Have lunch.
Very good. So when we say lunch, what is your understanding about the word lunch?
Mm,
It is when we say lunch, it is like the
um, right. Um, middle of the day.
yes. So when we say lunch, it is in the middle of the day. So what is the middle of the day? We call it as
After noon.
yes, very good. So we for this one, so have lunch. So we eat food in the afternoon. So
Afternoon.
so now, what are the food that you eat at lunch?
Mm, I eat rice and meat uh, for lunch.
Wow. If you have school, do you sometimes have your lunch at school?
Yes.
Yes. What time is your school usually?
Mm, uh, 11. At 11.
11,
15.
11:15 up to
Yes.
what time? Until
Mm,
evening?
evening.
For what time until your school? Is it 11:15 up until 4 o'clock in the evening or in the afternoon? Is it until
Um,
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, or 6 o'clock?
4:15.
Oh, so your class is like 11. So your class is like 5 hours only?
Yes.
Oh, so sometimes you eat lunch at school. Or do you have like a pack lunch? Pack lunch. Do you
No.
pack? Ah, no, you buy at your school?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, so next. So for this one, so we have here our two words have breakfast and have lunch. It means eating in the morning and eating in the afternoon. So next, let's have our next word, which is this one.
Have dinner.
Very good. Have dinner. So when we have the have breakfast and have lunch. Now, what is have dinner?
Mm, have um have dinner is eating food in the evening.
Very good. Eating food in the evening. So in this one, we eat food in the evening. So what are the food that you usually eat or that you usually have in the evening?
Um, I have uh beans, fish for dinner.
Oh, beans and fish.
Yes.
Oh, that's very delicious. How do you eat the beans? Do you usually eat it like boiled beans? Or
Yes.
oh, boiled beans. Wow. And for this dinner, so do you usually have dinner with your family?
I usually eat uh with um have dinner with my family.
Very good. Good job that you are usually having a dinner with your family because it is more energized or more happy when we are eating dinner with our family. So next, let's go with this in the picture. What do you think is this one?
School.
School. Very good. So for this one, our next word will be
Go to school.
very good. Go to school. So when we say go to school, so we will travel to school to study. So we usually go to school to study. So now, um, the time, just to confirm, the time that you usually go to school is 11:15, right? 11:15?
Uh, at uh 6:50.
6:15?
50.
50?
Yes.
And that is in the morning?
Yes.
Oh, I go. So let's say this one. I go to school at,
I go to school at 6:50 a.m.
yes, very good. So we use this word when we are talking about traveling to school. Like, for example, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 6:50 a.m. So that is the use of this word. So now, how do you go to school? How do you go to school, Dan?
Um, I go to school by motorbike.
Oh, motorbike? Motorbike?
Yes. Yes.
Do you ride the motorbike?
Um, my dad uh,
Oh,
drive motorbike.
wow, that's good. Oh, you go to school by motorbike. So very good. So next, let's go with, do you have any questions with these words?
No.
No. Okay, so let's now go to our next word. So this one,
Go home. Come home.
very good. So when we say go home or come home, so we use this word when we are returning to our our house. So for example, this one. Can you read this sentence example?
I go home at 4 o'clock.
Very good. So now Dan, what do you do? What do you do when you come home?
Mm, I come home. I
Do you do you
work.
play?
I work. Uh, I work when I come home.
Oh, you work? You have a work
Work. Um,
or
working.
home is it a homework at your school?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So let's rephrase the sentence. So this one, I do.
I do homework when I come home.
Very good. So that is what you usually do when you come home or go home. What are the other things that you do when you go home? Do you eat? Do you play?
Do you? Uh, I play badminton. Badminton when I go home.
Oh, I play badminton. Whom do you play with badminton? Do you play with your friends or your little
Your
brother?
um, your. Oh, I play badminton with my mom.
Oh, your mother. You're with my mom. Wow, that's good to know. So next, let's take a look with this one or this picture. What do you think is the girl doing?
The girl is sleep.
Very good. The girl is sleeping. So now let's take a look with our next word. What is our next word?
Go to bed.
Very good. So our next word will be go to bed. So as we can see in the picture, so go to bed means to sleep or to go to our bed to sleep. Like for example, this one. So can you read this sentence?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Very good. So now, Dan, what time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at I usually go to bed at uh 12 p.m.
12 p.m.? 12
12
p.m.
o'clock. 12 p.m.
in the afternoon or in the midnight?
In um at 11 p.m.
Oh, 11 p.m. Very good. Good job. So that is our word. So usually go to bed. Go to bed is our word. So very good. So now, do you have any questions with this one?
Mm, no.
No. Wow, that's good to know. Okay, so let's go with our phrases here. So when we say phrases, so these are the words that we can use to make a sentence. So let's first go with this one. Can
To
you
be
read?
happy with something.
Very good. To be happy with something. So this is our first phrase. So when we say to be happy with something, so we use this phrase when we feel good or glad about something. For example, this one. Can you read the example?
I, I am happy with my life.
Very good. And for example, this one. He.
He is happy when studying English.
Very good. Now, let's try to make a sentence example. So, first, what makes you happy? What makes you happy, Dan?
Uh, I'm happy um, when I study um, music.
Oh, wow. You are into music?
Yes.
What music do you usually listen to?
Uh, uh,
Are those
I
Vietnamese?
usually listen to rock music.
Oh, rock music. Are those Vietnam music or English music?
Uh, um, Vietnam music.
Oh, Vietnam music. Wow. Have you tried listening to rock music in English?
Yes.
Yes. And how was it? Um, if you compare Vietnam music to English music, what do you like the most?
Mm, I don't know.
Uh, you like both?
Uh,
You like both English music and rock music?
Rock music.
Yes. Do you like both? Like English rock music and Vietnam rock music? Or do you only like Vietnam rock music?
Vietnam rock music.
Oh, only Vietnam rock music. Okay. So now, very good. So for doing or making sentence. So next, let's read our next phrase.
To be busy with something.
Okay, good job. So now let's try to read this word again. Let's say busy.
PC.
Very good. So now for this phrase, so we use this phrase when we are doing something, like we don't have any free time. So for example, in this example, can you read one example of this sentence in this phrase?
She is busy with her work.
Very good. So she is busy with her work. And another example for this phrase.
I am busy teaching students.
Very good. So we will use the word busy, like in this one, happy. So our word here is busy. So now, can you try making a sentence example with this phrase? Example with the busy. What are the things that you are busy right now?
I am busy uh, to study studying math
Mm.
and English.
Wow, that's very good. So do you like math?
Um, Sometimes I like math.
Same, because math is very, very hard. So, what do you like the most? Math or English?
Uh, I like in the mall. I like English.
Wow, that's very good because English is much easier than math. Okay, so very good. So, good job in making this sentence with our two phrases. So, now, since we do not have much time right now, Dan, so we will end our lesson here. So thank you very much for your active participation today. So you did a great job because I can see that you can make sentence and you can really express yourself. So you just have to practice more about your pronunciation with how you pronounce words, especially this word. So busy. Okay, so you can do it by practicing reading books or reading sentences. So you did a great job today, Dan. So thank you very much and see you again soon. Bye bye. Thank you so
Goodbye,
much.
teacher.
Goodbye. You can now rest. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.